सर्वांना माझा नमस्कार आणि माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. मी माझी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंगची जर्नी सुरू केलेली आहे. जसं की ग्रामरचा पाठ आपल्याला माहिती असतो, परंतु जेव्हा बोलण्याची वेळ येते तेव्हा अनेक ग्रॅमॅटिकली चुका त्या ठिकाणी होतात आणि त्या आपल्याला बोलल्याशिवाय कळत नाही. जर मला इंग्लिश स्पीकिंगमध्ये फ्लुएन्सी आणायची असेल तर मला रोज प्रॅक्टिस करणं गरजेचं आहे. Because consistency is the key to success, and at that time I get to know where I am lacking in this my English speaking journey. So let's start today's conversational video with Alaknanda ma'am.
Hi, Kiran.
Hi ma'am, how are you ma'am?
I'm doing good. It's so nice to see you.
Same ma'am, I also nice to see you again.
So we'll do a very interesting topic, fortune telling. First, tell me, do you believe in fortune telling? You know what is fortune
Little
telling?
bit,
Little
yes,
bit?
yes, little bit.
Okay,
But I most believe in hard work.
exactly. Okay. Now tell me, what are the different people who deal in fortune telling? One is astrologer. What are the other
Astrologer,
people?
other
Tarot
astrologer
card
and other.
reading. Have you heard of tarot card reading?
Yes, yes. Tarot card reading and
Palm
the
reading.
yes, stone related.
That
Also, some people.
that is astrology. They will read your palm
Astrologer.
and then they will give you a
Uh-huh.
stone to rectify your future.
Yes, yes. And card reading. Some people read that card and
Mm. I think that is
yes.
only tarot reading. Tarot
Okay.
card reading. That is tarot card reading. Okay.
Tarot card reading, and other is number according they
Numerology. Numerology.
numerology
Yes.
numerology.
It is already there in the numerology. So remember, in between, we were all having all the serial names. In these serials, everything started doing with K. K. क्योंकि
Okay,
सास भी कभी बहू थी कि उसकी something something all with K because K was supposed to be a very good uh, positive number, so that is numerology.
okay,
And then they were
okay.
changing the spelling of your name. Suppose Kiran Rajguru, so one A, then they would have two or three A's. Kiraaan, Kiran Rajguru. That is numerology.
Mm. That
So
is numerology.
when you like they give you a certain letter and you have to write your name in that way, you have to change the way of your letters name, numerology, that.
Okay,
So
and
any,
do you know about such thing?
I don't believe, I am very logical. I don't believe in any fortune telling, but my friends have
Oh,
changed their name. She's a professor, but something happened at her college, so she changed her entire name. um Okay. What do you think? Do you think there is an iota of truth when people say that, I showed this astrologer and he gave me some stones, it has changed my life? Or I have done numerology, changed my name, or Vastu. So, do you think there is any truth to it?
I don't believe it, but if it is depend on person to person how to take it. So, but personally, if I talk about my experience, I don't believe in a such a thing. I only believe in a hard work and honesty. And if you do your work honestly and do hard work, then then God give what you did.
You're paying for. Yes, yes. So, I believe in honesty, hard work, and discipline. So, if
Discipline.
we believe in these three things, God will give us, or we will get what we want, what we passionately want. Okay.
Ma'am,
Uh,
I would like your opinion on this question.
you said I believe in hard work, discipline, discipline and focus. Right? What I want, I am very focused on that. So these are the things I
Yes,
believe.
yes, yes, yes. Do any session when someone going from my side and someone is there at that time, I get distracted. Yes, but
Yes.
now I am working on my this weakness and I try to be focused what I do in that moment. Yes.
Okay. So, Kiran, very good. So, the first step is you are now aware that you get distracted. At least you're aware, right? So you're trying to improve your
Yes.
concentration. So
Yes, yes.
you tell me, what are the 2 or 3 ways you can improve your concentration?
Nowadays, I concentrated on my breathing, and I take slow breathing when I
Mhm.
aware about my thinking. Self love. I try to go do exercise, yoga, and pranayam. These things for myself, and yes, these are the things.
Very good. So when you're taking a class or when you're cooking or anything, that time you cannot be so focused on your breathing, right? So
Yes,
these
yes.
times you have to be very mindfulness. You have to practice mindfulness, right? Be here at this moment with all your five
Mm-hmm.
senses. We have five senses. What are the five
Yes.
senses we have?
Smell,
Hmm.
eyesight, touch, and
Taste.
mm, taste, taste. Listen,
So these
listen.
are the five feel not feeling sensations we have. These are the five sensations. So mindfulness is
Yes.
like being present with all the five senses. So you don't have to
Mm.
now taste anything, but you're only looking at me or you're looking at the session notes. You're feeling the wind, slight wind which is coming there. You're only listening to me. And you're
Mm.
only talking, obviously talking to me. Yeah, taste can also be talking to me. So even if, try this, even if someone passes you by, you do not have to look here and there because you are here right now totally. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
can you tell
Mm-hmm.
me how you know what is mindfulness, using all the five senses to be here. Okay.
Okay, okay. I got it.
So when you are cooking, during cooking also, do
Mm-hmm.
you get distracted
Yes,
sometimes?
ma'am. I try to put my heart and soul while cooking because this food is I serve to my children and my family members. So I can't tolerate this thing, and because it is not good for my family members. That's why while
Heart
cooking.
and soul, heart and soul. Huh? I put my heart and soul. Did you say that only?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, then it's fine. Then it's fine. I'm cooking for my family. So if I get distracted and the food is not good, it's not good for, or my family will not like it, or I will also not enjoy, right? So,
Mm-hmm.
okay. I
I'm
just
doing
moved.
grammar. There is grammatically mistake while speaking.
There are a few grammatical mistakes, but don't worry. Every time you make a grammatical mistake, I'm trying to point it out to you. Don't worry.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. Yes,
So today, when you study, suppose after the class you're studying English a little bit or you're doing something,
ma'am.
how will you
Mm-hmm.
apply mindfulness?
Just as you said, I be concentrate with my eyesight and
I will not concentrate. You're concentrating with all the five senses. I will only look at the page or the book with my eyes. Only
mind.
concentrate on the task at hand. I will only concentrate on the task at hand. Okay. See, this is also another word.
Mhm.
So whether you're cooking, whether you're teaching your sons about anything, chemistry, you will only concentrate on the task at hand.
Mhm.
There are so many godmen we have found. So what is your take? But still we see that a lot of people, they will go to the godman. You know what is a godman, right? The people who say
Uh,
they have a lot of followers.
yes, yes. Nowadays, many people follow the many governments on YouTube. Some are authentical, and they really talk about the empowerment of women and talk about on the mindfulness and spirituality. Okay, it is really authentic. Saw on YouTube, they are fake. They are fake, and
Exactly.
yes, they are fake.
They
Yes,
do commit a lot of crimes, commit a lot of crimes.
and yes, and they influence people by talking lie, they make their own stories and they spread on YouTube. Some people blindly believe on that on that people, and they also spread rumors in.
Yes, yes, exactly what you're saying. They make up fabricated stories which are not real stories. Said something, and this person who was going through a bad marriage, she recovered, or now they are very happy. See, all
Uh-huh.
these kind of fake stories
Yes,
they
yes,
will circulate. They will circulate
yes,
among
ma'am.
their
Yes.
followers, and their followers will also circulate those things. Okay. And Kiran, people know that these
Uh-huh.
people are fake, but still, why do you think we follow these people, this new age
Because
gurus? They are also called the new
yes,
age gurus. Hmm.
new age gurus, because people don't do want hard work. They just want get money easily, and so that they want get their relief without doing anything, without getting they don't want suffering in their life, struggle in their life. They don't face the challenges in their life. They don't want to face the problem in their life by their own self. They want that someone came and they solve their problem in their life. But this thing never happen in anyone's life. Yes, and
Yes, yes.
those people are going such kind of babas
To
and
such kind
believe
of fake babas, yeah.
such kind
Mhm.
of babas. Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. They firstly, these people, they want a easy solution, quick solution,
Yes, yes.
and
Quick
they do not
solution.
use logic, right? They are
Mm-hmm.
not using logic. Then only then they can see that these are fake people. They are just wanting extorting money from the followers. If you follow
Yes,
anyone, you have to give a lot of money. So these are some of the
yes.
things people still go to this new age gurus. Okay. If you have to give any advice to your, kids about how they should lead their life, what advice would you give them?
I will tell them believe in yourself and believe in hard work, perseverance, and determination. It is the only thing that the thing will give you success in your life. And believe in your own strength and believe in God. When we go on the right path, there are many temptation is there, but tell my child, you have to say no to that temptation, because this thing is temporary in your life. You have to go long run in your life, so you have to choose the right thing in your life, right path in your life, so it leads to great success in your
And,
life.
and inner peace. Yes. Very good. Kiran, very nice. And I think you have very good values which you are passing down to your kids also. Many. So when you say many, means many,
Mm-hmm.
right? Many temptations. It becomes S,
Mm-hmm.
many temptations. So, Kiran, what I
Okay.
found is you use very good words. Once in a while, you are using very good words, temptations, and there were some other good words also you used. Okay, but there you make grammatical mistakes. So maybe do a little bit grammar exercises. There are so many exercises available, right, on this English Yari site and all that. So it's not that you're stopping, you're speaking, but the grammatically you're sometimes making mistakes. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
have a have a lovely Sunday evening with your family. Are you going out or you guys are staying indoors today?
No, ma'am. At morning, we went to temple God Shiva, and when I spent time there with my mother, and yes, that time is quality time. I
Uh-huh.
spent with my family members, and
Wow.
yes, this feeling is very wonderful for me,
Rewarding. Yes, very rewarding for
rewarding,
me. This feeling is rewarding.
rewarding for me. Yes,
Okay, Kiran, please take care. And like I said, have a remaining evening. Have a wonderful remaining of the evening. Bye.
yes, ma'am. And happy Mahashivratri, ma'am. And yes. Nice to talk with you. And today I learned so many things from you.